Hi, my name is Caroline Zarpis, and for my IT research paper, I chose the topic the electronic nose. The electronic nose itself is a device used to pick up and detect different smells and flavors. So, in a little bit more detail, it analyzes the key components of different smells and distinguishes the odor's chemical makeup to classify it. The electronic nose has been under development for the past 10 years, and it's referred to as electronic sensing technology. Electronic nose is used in a variety of different industries. An industry it contributes greatly to is the medical field, though. It's used to distinguish between many different types of bacteria that can be usually found in blood cultures, urine analysis, and etc. It can differentiate and identify the different types of bacteria and determine what illness is present. The nose can also detect lung cancer in patients by their exhaled breath. The reason for lung cancer is when there is an uncontrolled amount of cells growing in the lungs. These excessive cells begin forming in the bronchial tubes. Those tubes are straight in contact with your air systems and the cancer. Therefore, the electronic nose can detect the impurities in the patient's breath, informing them that they do have lung cancer. The electronic nose can also identify compounds in the air, water, and also in soil samples. There is an obscene amount of chemical pollutants being set free into our environment that are causing harm and health hazards to people, animals, and plants all over the world. So the electronic nose is able to detect and analyze the pollution rate by monitoring the quality of the air. It is also able to detect and catch dangerous leaks of toxic material that may occur in pipelines and industrial plants. And according to Wilson, the electronic nose can give an early warning of the accumulation of toxic fumes, such as solvents or explosive fumes, carbon monoxide or carbon dioxide within enclosed areas of buildings or mines. The electronic nose is undergoing development for future uses, such as, for example, in the medical field. Instead of just being able to determine if a patient has lung cancer, it should be able to determine various forms of cancer. And other than the medical field, it is also undergoing development to help in the field of crime and security. So it should be able to detect harmful chemicals and drugs, other explosives, and things like that. In conclusion, as you can see, the electronic nose is very useful in current use, but is also on its way to becoming revolutionary in the technology world as well.